Hello guys, what's up? Hope all should be okay. So guys, I'm back with another video. So guys, hope you will support me and support my channel. So you are first entry on this channel, please subscribe now and hit the like button. So guys, today I'm gonna be show how to make change Facebook name, Facebook your profile names. Friends, let's start. First we are open our Facebook. First you are open your Facebook, then there look this, click it. Now scroll down, then there you see setting and privacy option, please click it and go settings option. After cam settings, friends, it's some seconds load and it's already coming. So friends, there look many options, so you tap the first option, personal information. Please click personal information, then you see email address, phone number, and there are many things. And first is the name. So friends, we change our name, so click. There look three name, first name, middle name, surname. So guys, we type now our name. First you delete all thing, delete full name, your before name full delete, then you are type a new name. So I will type new name. I will type this here slum. I will type my new name. So there click cancel or review change. So you click review change option. After you click review change option, so there three option. Your name is AR Islam Jihad, AR Jihad, Jihad Islam AR. So we choose AR Islam Jihad and we click this, and there are your Facebook password. One time you tap, so I will type my Facebook password. That's so I will click and save change. I will click save change, and look, our name is also changed. So we are go to back and we are check our name is change or not change. So friends, now see our name is already changed. So guys, that's why you change your FB name. So guys, the video is helpful for you, so don't go without subscribe and hit the like button and share with your friends, and please comment on the comment box. Bye bye.